Few bonds in the animal kingdom are as strong or as enduring as the one between humans and dogs. Our furry companions have walked by our side for millennia, offering companionship, loyalty, and unwavering love. Their journey from wild wolves to domesticated dogs is a testament to the power of interspecies connections and the profound impact we have had on each other's evolution. How did this unique relationship begin? What led these fierce predators to become our closest confidants? The answer lies buried deep in our shared history, a tale woven through archaeological evidence, genetic studies, and a mutual understanding that has transcended language barriers for thousands of years. From the frozen tundra to lush forests, ancient humans and wild canids likely crossed paths countless times. Driven by survival instincts, both species were drawn to food sources and shelter, creating opportunities for interaction. It's believed that less aggressive wolves, perhaps drawn by the scent of human scraps, ventured closer to our ancestors' settlements. This tentative dance between curiosity and caution marked the first steps towards domestication. Over time, a remarkable transformation unfolded. Wolves, through selective breeding and close interaction with humans, shed their wild instincts. They became smaller, their temperaments softened, and their barks replaced howls, signaling the birth of a new species, the domesticated dog. Pinpointing the exact moment when wolves shed their wild nature and embraced life alongside humans has been a subject of much debate among scientists. Archaeological evidence suggests that dogs have been our companions for at least 15,000 years. Some of the earliest evidence comes from a burial site in Bonn Oberkassel, Germany, where the remains of a human, a dog, and a wolf were found together dating back approximately 14,000 years. This discovery hints at a deep bond between humans and canines, even in those early days. However, recent genetic studies suggest that dog domestication might have occurred much earlier, possibly as far back as 20,000 to 40,000 years ago. This period coincides with the last glacial maximum, a time when both humans and wolves faced harsh environmental conditions and limited resources. It's possible that this shared struggle for survival fostered a closer relationship between the two species. As humans began to form settlements and rely on hunting and gathering, wolves may have been drawn to the opportunity to scavenge for scraps. In turn, early humans may have found wolves to be valuable hunting partners, utilizing their keen senses and hunting prowess. This mutually beneficial relationship likely laid the foundation for domestication. Over generations, wolves that exhibited more docile traits and a willingness to cooperate with humans were favored. They were more likely to receive food and shelter, increasing their chances of survival and reproduction. As the bond between humans and dogs deepened, we began to selectively breed them for specific traits and skills. This careful selection, driven by the need for working companions, led to the astonishing diversity of dog breeds we see today. Herding dogs like Border Collies and Australian Shepherds were bred for their intelligence, agility, and herding instincts. These canine assistants played a crucial role in managing livestock, allowing humans to control their herds more efficiently. Their ability to understand and respond to subtle commands made them invaluable partners for shepherds. Hunting dogs, on the other hand, were developed for their strength, speed, and tracking abilities. Breeds like bloodhounds, with their exceptional sense of smell, were employed to track prey, while powerful breeds like Irish wolfhounds were used to bring down large game. Retrievers, such as Labrador retrievers and golden retrievers, excelled at retrieving downed game, their soft mouths ensuring that the kill was brought back undamaged. Guardian dogs, such as the imposing Great Pyrenees and the loyal Akita, were bred for their size, strength, and protective instincts. Tasked with safeguarding homes, livestock, and even entire villages, these dogs served as deterrents against predators and intruders. Their imposing presence and deep barks were often enough to ward off danger. Section 4. Man's best friend in culture, mythology, art, and folklore. The profound impact of dogs on human civilization extends far beyond their practical roles as workers and protectors. Throughout history, dogs have held a special place in our hearts and imaginations, becoming deeply ingrained in our culture, mythology, art and folklore. In ancient Egypt, dogs were revered as sacred animals. Anubis, the jackal-headed god of the underworld, was believed to guide souls to the afterlife. Dogs were often mummified alongside their owners, signifying the belief in a continued bond after death. In Greek mythology, Cerberus, the three-headed hound, guarded the gates of the underworld, preventing the dead from leaving. This fearsome yet loyal creature represented the unwavering guardianship and fidelity often associated with dogs. Dogs also feature prominently in art throughout history. From the intricate mosaics of ancient Rome depicting hunting scenes with dogs, to the grand portraits of European nobility posing with their beloved canine companions, dogs have served as both subjects and symbols in art. Section 5. Unlocking the Canine Code. Genetic studies on dog ancestry. In recent decades, advances in genetic sequencing have revolutionized our understanding of dog evolution and their relationship to wolves. By analyzing the DNA of dogs and wolves, scientists have been able to trace their shared ancestry and uncover the fascinating story of how dogs evolved from their wild counterparts. Studies have confirmed that all modern dog breeds descended from wolves, with the grey wolf, Canis lupus, being their closest living relative. However, the exact pathway of domestication is still a subject of ongoing research. One theory suggests that dog domestication occurred in a single location, with a population of wolves gradually becoming more accustomed to humans and eventually evolving into dogs. This theory is supported by the fact that most dog breeds share a remarkable degree of genetic similarity, suggesting a common origin. Another theory proposes that dog domestication occurred independently in multiple locations around the world. This hypothesis is based on the observation that some ancient dog breeds share genetic similarities with wolves from their respective geographic regions.